The world is facing an increasing threat of climate change caused by human activities, including the burning of fossil fuels for transportation. To address this issue, electric cars have emerged as a promising solution that can help reduce the carbon footprint of transportation. In India, the government has been taking various initiatives to promote the adoption of electric cars, and companies working on it are benefiting from these initiatives. In this video, we will delve deeper into the current state of electric cars in India, the initiatives taken by the government, and the impact of the lithium reserves found in Jammu and Kashmir on the transportation industry. State of electric cars in India. India has the fourth largest automobile market in the world, with a rapidly growing middle class and a large population of urban dwellers. However, the country is grappling with high levels of air pollution, traffic congestion, and dependence on imported oil. These challenges have created an environment in which electric cars are a potential solution. Currently, the market for electric cars in India is still relatively small, with less than 1% of new cars sold being electric. However, the market is growing, and several domestic and international car manufacturers are working on introducing new electric models to the Indian market. Indian car manufacturers such as Tata Motors and Mahindra are leading the way in the Indian market, while foreign manufacturers such as Tesla and Nissan are also exploring opportunities in India. Let us talk about some government initiatives. The Indian government has been taking various initiatives to promote the adoption of electric cars and support companies working on it. In 2018, the government launched the FAME, Faster Adoption and Manufacturing of Hybrid and Electric Vehicles, India scheme, which provides subsidies and incentives to consumers and manufacturers of electric cars. Under the FAME India scheme, consumers who purchase electric cars are eligible for subsidies ranging from 10,000 Indian rupees to 150,000 Indian rupees, depending on the type of car and its battery capacity. The government also provides incentives to manufacturers of electric cars, including a subsidy of 10,000 Indian rupees per kilowatt-hour of battery capacity for up to 20% of the ex-factory price of the vehicle. Additionally, the government has set a target of having 30% of all vehicles on the road to be electric by 2030. Another key initiative is the National Electric Mobility Mission Plan, NEMP, launched in 2013. The goal of this plan is to achieve 6 to 7 million sales of electric vehicles by 2020 and to make India a 100% electric vehicle nation by 2030. The government has also announced a target of setting up at least one charging station every 3 kilometers in major cities and highways. Various state governments have also announced their own incentives and subsidies for electric vehicle adoption. For an example, the Delhi government provides a 100% exemption from road tax and registration fees for electric vehicles, while the Maharashtra government provides a subsidy of up to 10,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh for electric car buyers. In addition to government initiatives, several private companies are also working on developing electric cars in India. Mahindra Electric is one of the leading players in the Indian electric car market, with its Mahindra XUV 400, E20 and E-Verito models. Tata Motors has also launched its electric car, the Tata Nexon, Tata Tigor EV, and is planning to launch more electric models in the future. Other players in the market include MG Motor, Hyundai, and Mercedes-Benz. One important factor in the production of electric cars is the availability of raw materials, particularly lithium. In February 2018, the Indian government announced the discovery of a major lithium reserve in the Mandikulgam area of Jammu and Kashmir. This is expected to significantly reduce India's dependence on lithium imports and provide a boost to the country's electric vehicle industry. The impact of electric cars on the transportation industry is significant. Electric cars have the potential to reduce carbon emissions and air pollution, leading to a cleaner and healthier environment. They also have lower running costs compared to traditional petrol and diesel cars, which can make them more affordable in the long run. However, the high initial cost of electric cars and the limited availability of charging infrastructure are some of the challenges that need to be addressed for wider adoption. The government's initiatives and incentives, along with the efforts of private companies, are driving the growth of electric cars in India. The discovery of the lithium reserve in Jammu and Kashmir is a major step towards reducing dependence on imports and boosting the country's electric vehicle industry. While there are still challenges to be addressed, the potential benefits of electric cars for the environment and the economy make them a promising option for the future of transportation in India. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.